beautiful people out there, welcome and welcome back to this another vlog. So I'm traveling somewhere and where I'll be showing you the place, so please stick to the video till the end. And I'm about to reach. As you can see, the water there. So yes, I have never visited here. This is my first time, so I hope this will be a very beautiful place as much as in the photos I have seen in the Google. So yes, we reached, and let's park the vehicle first and then I'll show you the place, how it looks like, and I'll share a few details about this place. So yes, please share this video as much as you can with your family, friends, and those who love nature and natural places. So yeah, please share with them. Basically, this is a picnic spot which is situated in western Odisha, and it's 10 km from Behramal and 47 km from Jharsuguda town. And you know, the best part of this place is the sunset view. Just look at the colorful sunset. Look at the birds. There are so many small islands inside the Mahanadi Reservoir, and this place is in the opposite side of Hirakud Dam, and I hope you are well known about Hirakud Dam. I think I haven't disclosed the name of this place. So yes, this place is known as Rampaluga picnic spot, and this is very famous for its picnic spot and boating, and tourists visit here in the month of December or in winter season mostly to enjoy the picnic and to enjoy the boating. So now I'm just going to explore this small piece of land, how it is. So yeah, let's go with me. This is that small piece of land where people do picnic. So this is the place, how it looks, and I think people do fishing here because I have seen container in the parking area. And as you can see, there are small piece of island, I think, I'm not sure, or might be they are mountains. No, I think they are small piece of land like this. So you can go there by boating. I'm not gonna do boating because it's already too late and it's about to sunset. So we'll do it next time, as I visited this place for the very first time. So just I want to feel this place. Now I'm heading out to that park which is recently set up by the local government of Jharsuguda, and I think this is under construction. So let's check out the place. As this is under construction, that's why it's looking messy, but yeah, after finish the construction work it will look more beautiful even. So of course must visit and enjoy this beautiful place and enjoy the beautiful sunset by sitting over this park. And this is the setup. As you can see, the place name is written there, Rampaluga, which is looking beautiful. Now just have a look of this thin line of the sunset, and which is looking so beautiful and colorful, which makes this beautiful place more beautiful even. So as you can see, there are so many benches, so you can sit here and enjoy the sunset view. It's quite dark because already sunset हो चुका है and there is no any kind of such setup for light, so we have to leave. And that's all about this vlog, guys. I hope you liked, and please do share and subscribe to my channel. Soon we'll meet in our next vlog. Till that, stay happy, stay healthy, take care, bye bye.